Hello, Namaskar, and a very good afternoon to all the viewers watching NCERT's live and interactive program. I'm Shivani Jha, and you have all connected with us through PM eVidya channel number 6. And besides this, there are so many different mediums through which you all can connect with us, and even you can participate in our live conversations by raising your comments, your queries, or your feedbacks in the live chat box of our official YouTube channels that goes by the name NCERT Official and NCERT PM eVidya Class 6. वेल आप सभी को बताना चाहेंगे आज आधे घंटे का सत्र हमारा हम क्लास 6 के बच्चों के लिए लेकर आए हैं, जिसमें सब्जेक्ट हमने आज चुना है मैथमेटिक्स और टॉपिक हम पढ़ेंगे आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक का पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया पार्ट 4। जी हाँ, आज का पार्ट जो है 4 है ये, और ये लास्ट पार्ट होगा जिसे हम समराइज करने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। और इसे समझाने के लिए हमारे साथ एक्सपर्ट भी मौजूद हैं जिन्होंने हमें ज्वाइन किया है। वेल आप सभी का परिचय करा देती हूँ मैं। आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं मिस स्वर्ण लता शर्मा मैम। आपको बताएंगे मैम प्रेसिडेंट अवार्डी टीचर हैं 2014 की, और साथ ही टीजीटी मैथमेटिक्स हैं फ्रॉम मदर्स मैरी स्कूल मयूर विहार दिल्ली से। मैम नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू द सेशन।
थैंक यू शिवानी। हेलो व्यूअर्स।
वेल जितने भी व्यूअर्स हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और क्लास 6 के स्टूडेंट्स हमें देख रहे हैं, आप सभी को बताना चाहूँगी कि अगर आज के टॉपिक से जुड़ा हुआ कोई भी सवाल, कोई भी क्वेरी आपके मन में आता है, या हमारे इस टॉपिक से जुड़ा हुआ पिछले सेशंस में आपके कोई भी क्वेरी रह गए हों, तो आप बेझिझक हमसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। हमारा फ़ोन नंबर आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे होंगे, जो कि है 8800440559। इसके अलावा हमारी ईमेल आईडी भी है, उस पर भी आप अपना मैसेज हमें लिखकर भेज सकते हैं। ईमेल आईडी है dth.class6@ciet.nic.in। और जैसा कि आप सभी हमारे साथ NCERT ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल्स के थ्रू भी जुड़े हुए हैं, तो आप लाइव चैट बॉक्स में भी अपने कमेंट्स, अपने क्वेरीज या कोई भी सवाल हम तक जल्दी से पहुंचा सकते हैं, और हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि इस सेशन के एंड में हम उन सभी सवालों का जवाब अपने एक्सपर्ट से आप सभी व्यूअर्स तक पहुंचाएं। वेल चलिए अब हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ मूव करते हैं, और मैं तो मैम से यही जानना चाहूँगी मैम, आज जो हम पार्ट 4 पढ़ने वाले हैं, तो बेसिकली इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें हम इंक्लूड करेंगे और बच्चों को समझाने की कोशिश करेंगे।
जी शिवानी, आज बच्चे सीखेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ द रेगुलर फिगर्स एंड इरेगुलर फिगर्स। Okay, they have studied about perimeter in the previous session. They also had some rough idea about the area. Today we will study how to find out the area of regular and irregular figures. Shivani, in the previous session we were discussing about the Tangram puzzle, and we have one more interesting question here about it. We will discuss that and then we will proceed to finding area of irregular figures and regular figures.
Okay, first
we will have so many puzzles and activities.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so shall we start?
Yes ma'am, sure.
To begin with children, we have area as the amount of region enclosed by a closed figure. It is called its area. And area of a square, as you know, is side into side, and area of rectangle is length into breadth. You can see the figures on the screen. Now you had a square, you see we have 7 tans of Tangram puzzle here. You can see Shivani, we have A, B, C, D, E, F and G.
Okay,
we
yes,
discussed about the area of these in the previous session. And you can see here the next question was, arrange these 7 pieces to form a rectangle. What will be the area of this rectangle in terms of the area of C now? C is the smallest triangle here, and give reasons for your answer. The Tangram puzzle, you know, with all the 7 pieces is a Tangram square with 5 pieces extended with a big triangles. All 7 tans, that is pieces, fit together to form a rectangle. Hence area of rectangle in terms of C will be 16 small triangles. Areas of square and rectangle thus formed will be equal in the shape of a square as well as in the shape of a rectangle. Let us see now, can I arrange these 7 pieces in the form of a rectangle?
Okay, so is it possible?
Let me see, let me try. We have here, this has the A piece here, and this is piece B, 2 big triangles, and then I have piece E here. This is my G, and here is F, here is D, and here comes C. See how beautifully, without leaving any gap, these pieces, children, can be arranged in the form of a rectangle. Here the area of rectangle and the square are going to be same, because area of the pieces, when I add, it forms a bigger rectangle and areas will be equal. Okay, but the perimeters, Shivani, will be different because the shapes are arranged in a different pattern.
Yes,
Therefore,
right, ma'am.
the perimeters will be different, but the areas will be same. Okay. So, you can see here that are the perimeters of square and rectangle formed by these 7 pieces different or the same? Give an explanation for your answer. Okay. So, the perimeters of the square and the rectangle formed from these 7 pieces will be different. And the perimeter changes when we rearrange the 7 pieces in different positions, children. I hope it is very clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, here comes an interesting and very thought-provoking question, children. Pay attention to it. It is create as many different rectangles as you can with perimeter of 18 centimeters and find the area of each rectangle. What is interesting is the perimeter has to be 18, children, in all different type of rectangles. See how many rectangles are possible here. We have a rectangle with length 5 and breadth 4. I have done it on a graph paper so that it becomes for the children to understand. Okay. So, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So, 2 into 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 2s are 18 centimeters. Okay. And area is 5 into 4, that is 20. Let us check perimeter first. Perimeter in this case, see, length is 6 and breadth is 3. So, 2 into 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 2s are 18. Here also perimeter is 18. And in this case, length is 7, breadth is 2. So, 2 into 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 into 2 is 18 centimeters. And in this case, the perimeter, children, 2 into 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18. Can you see we have different types of rectangles, but the perimeter is same. Let us see the area now. Area here is 5 into 4, that is 20 square centimeters. 6 into 3 is 18 square centimeters. 7 into 2 is 14 square centimeters. And here 8 into 1 is 8 square centimeters. Is it not interesting?
Yes,
we have same perimeters but different area, children. And one more interesting fact here, you can ask your friends, can you design, can you create such a rectangle which has same area and perimeter? Both are equal, isn't it? Can you make a triangle, can you make a rectangle whose area and perimeter are same? It becomes a puzzle for your friend, right? Yes, now here comes another question, Shivani. Create as many different rectangles as you can with area of 36 square centimeters and find the perimeter of each rectangle. Here see, we have a rectangle of length 9 centimeters, breadth 4 centimeters. What is the area? 9 4s are 36 square centimeters. In this case, we have a square 6 by 6. So, area is 36 square centimeters. What about this? 18 and 2. Length is 18, breadth is 2. So, what is area? 36. It is again 36 square centimeters, children. Notice the perimeter now. Perimeter will be 2 into L plus B. What is 9 plus 4? It is 13 into 2, that is 26 centimeters. In this case, what will be the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides, right? So, 6 4s are 24, or you can take it as 2 into 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12 into 2, 24 centimeters. Here, the perimeter is 2 into 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 into 2 is 40. So, you noticed we have different type of rectangles possible having same area and different perimeters. I hope you enjoyed this.
Yes, ma'am.
You can make your own rectangles and you can learn about it. We have another important activity in your textbook, children. Ganit Prakash, find the area of the following figures. Right. So, can you see this? We have blue squares colored. So, 3 and half yellow square here, half here. So, 3 plus half is 1. So, what will be the area here? 4 square units. Right. Let us count here. Shivani, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are blue squares.
Yes.
Let us add half yellow triangles, it becomes half plus half is 1. So, you have 6 plus 1 7, 8 and half 9. So, what will be the area here? 9 square units. Great. It becomes easy to find out the area, right?
Yes.
Suppose I have this shape, children. See how many are complete squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are complete. Let us add half half. This is 8, 9 and here comes 10. So, what will be the area? 10 square units. Great. What about this? We have 4 blue squares here, 4 here. So, 8 complete squares plus 2 yellow, isn't it? Half plus half is 1, half plus half is 1. So, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright. So, 8 plus 3 is 11 square units. In this way, you can calculate the area. Okay. If you have irregular figures, children, guess which one of them has a larger area. What we will do is, Shivani, we will count the squares which are complete. Okay. And if they are more than half, that also we can take as 1. And if they are just half, we can add 2 halves to get 1. And if it is less than half, that we can ignore. Okay. So, let's count here. See, we have 1. Okay, this I am taking 1 because we have some portion here. This becomes 1, 2, 3. You have here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. And this halves we can add. So, it becomes 11. So, what is the area, children? 11 square units. Okay. Less than half you can ignore. What about here? We have, see, more than half is here with some portion. So, 1 I can take here, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6, 7, 8. We have here half, we can take 9, these two. Then you have 10, 11, 12 and here comes 13 and the portions half here left, no? 14. We can take it as 14 square units. Okay, children. So, which has a larger area? B figure has a larger area. I hope you can do this. Now, we have another question in your book, area of a triangle. Just observe this. We have 5 squares here and here 4 are there. Alright. First question is find the area of the triangle BAD. BAD. Alright. Let us count the squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and half squares. So, what is the area here? 10 square units. Now, we have another triangle, Shivani, here. What is that? ABE. Okay. Now, let us count complete squares first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here comes 9 and these two half 10. So, here the area is 10 square units. Now, let us check what is the area of rectangle, Shivani. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 4. So, 5 fours are length into breadth is the area of rectangle. 5 fours are 20 square units. So, we can understand that area of triangle is half of the area of the rectangle here. Alright.
Yes.
So, you can count and you can easily find out the area. Area of triangle is half of the area of the rectangle in this case. Now, find the area of the figures by dividing them into rectangles and triangles, children. Here, you can draw this and form triangles. See here. In this way.
So, ma'am, we can make different shapes.
Yes, different shapes and then find out the area. I have done it for you. You can count. You can see here. We can write down the numbers and we can find out if they are complete squares, Shivani. We will count them as 1. If it is more than half, that also we take as 1. And if it is less than half, we ignore. So, here it comes out to be 45 squares, children. So, 45 square unit will be the area in this case. And here if you can count here, see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this is 9 and this you can take as 10 and here this has 11. So, what will be the area? 11 square units. Okay. You can give the shape of a rectangle and different triangles and then add them. Here in this case you will get as 29, 29 square units. This I think I can leave for you. It comes out as 24 square units. Okay, here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What about this? Half,
It will
15
become 15.
and here 16. So, total area is 16 square units. I hope it is easy to calculate for you. You can do it, right? Okay. Then comes a area maze puzzle, children. Here you are supposed to find out the missing values. It's given in your book. See here it is 13 square centimeters, 15 square centimeters and this is 26. So you have to find out, you know, it's like a maze, it's a puzzle. So can you see 13 is just half of 26 here? Suppose here you take a dash dotted line here. This is double, so 13 into 2 is 26. So what is 15 into 2? It is 30. Fine. Here in this case you see you have here this is complete is 15 and here this is given to us as 5, right? And this is 6, this happens to be 3. So obviously this will be how much? 4 children, 4 fours are 16 square centimeters. We can find out with the values given and solve the puzzle here. In this case you have here this is 2 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters and this will be 3 into 3 how much? 9 square centimeters. Okay. Similarly in this case we are given this as 18 and here we have this as 5 and this is 4. Okay. So if I find out this value, how much will it be? Total is 38. Suppose I shade here. Here you will have 5 fours are 20. Okay. And this will be how much? You have this as 18. 6 threes are 18. So 20 plus 18 is 38 children. So naturally this has to be 5. Alright. So in this way you can solve these questions and let us see the question here on your screen. We have here, see there is a house plan for Charan and it is in rectangle, it is in a rectangular plot children. Look at the plan. What do you notice here? And we are supposed to find out the missing measurements and also find out the area of his house. Okay, let's do it here. I have prepared this house plan of Charan for you. Let us calculate here. See, master bedroom is given to us as 15 feet into 15 feet. So it is 225. This is given to us and 15 into 12, 180 is given to us. See, I have noted down here for you. Master bedroom, small bedroom, toilet is given, kitchen is given, hall, utility, garden and parking we need to find out children. We can see here this we have completed. 25 into 1 will be 25 square feet, 15 into 1 is 15 square feet. In this way if we add, we find that total area is 1200 square feet. So the area of Charan's house will be how much? This is 40 feet children. Can you see here? 40 feet into 30 feet. So what is 40 into 30 feet? Square feet? It will be 1200 square feet. When we add individually also it is coming out to be 1200 square feet. So there is a question for you. You can solve similar question and some questions as homework. Shivani, if there's time, can I give to the students this homework?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
The area of a rectangular garden 25 meters long is 300 square meters. What is the width of the garden, children? Then second question, what is the cost of tiling a rectangular plot of land 500 meters long and 200 meters wide at the rate of rupees 100 per square per meters? And similarly, the third question you can take from the board and you can do it. If you have a another question based on Sharan's house, you can find out the missing dimensions.
Okay, so ma'am, I just want to ask you that is there anything left for our next session also?
No, we have completed. We have learnt about perimeter and area and we have done many activities, many puzzles we have solved.
And
I hope the kids
also
must have understood.
Yeah. Okay, so ma'am, I thoroughly enjoyed this entire session and it was really amazing.
Thank you.
And Dear learners, we want to wrap up this session for now because we have very limited time. So firstly, I would like to thank our expert for this beautiful session. So thank you, Swarn Lata Sharma ma'am, for joining us today.
Thank you, Shivani. Hello viewers, thank you.
वेल व्यूअर्स, आप सभी का भी हम धन्यवाद करना चाहेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस टिल लास्ट एंड हियर्स एन अनाउंसमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू विच यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Well, the last date for submitting entries to All India Children's Educational E-Content Competition 2024 and 25 has been extended to 31st January 2025. Teachers, educators, students and independent educational e-content creators are invited to submit their best e-content for the competition. For further details and the application form, please visit the activities section of our official website at www.cit.ncert.gov.in or you can also scan the QR code on our screen. Well, आप सभी को जाने से पहले एक छोटी सी जानकारी मैं ये भी देना चाहूँगी कि कुछ देर बाद आप हमारे कौन कौन से प्रोग्राम्स हमारे साथ जुड़कर देख सकते हैं. वेल, आप हमारे साथ 4 से 5 बजे तक देखेंगे चैनल नंबर 6 से 12 पर हमारा ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग का प्रोग्राम. और आज का शीर्षक जो हम आप सभी के लिए लेकर आएंगे वो है भाषाओं के शिक्षण और अधिगम के लिए डिजिटल उपकरण. और इसके बाद आप आखिरी में 5 से 5:30 हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे सहयोग की कार्यक्रम के साथ. और आज का हमारा टॉपिक सहयोग में हम लेकर आएंगे द रोल ऑफ सोशल मीडिया इन शेपिंग सेल्फ इमेज अमंग एडोलसेंट्स. वेल, ये सभी जानकारियाँ थी हमारे और भी प्रोग्राम से जुड़ी हुई. आप हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं NCERT ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल्स के माध्यम से और साथ ही हमारे DTH के सभी चैनलों पर भी. आप सभी को ये मैथमेटिक्स का सेशन कैसा लगा और अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन, कोई भी क्वेरी आपके माइंड में अभी भी रह गई है सो आप बेझिझक हमें कॉन्टैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. एक बार फिर से आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और नमस्कार.